Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the hidden connections between ancient civilizations. Today, we explore the deep-rooted links between ancient Egypt and the Bantu people. Were the early Egyptians Bantu speakers? Is there linguistic and cultural evidence that ties these two civilizations together? Let's uncover the echoes of Bantu presence in Egypt and the undeniable proof that remains to this day. We have previously discussed how ancient Egypt was, at certain points in history, inhabited by Bantu people. Following the fall of the Great Civilization, many of these tribes migrated southward, settling across the African continent. However, some remained behind, intermarrying with incoming foreign groups, which gradually changed the demographic of the region. Despite this, traces of the original inhabitants still linger, hidden in language, traditions, and historical records. One of the strongest pieces of evidence linking Bantu languages to ancient Egypt is the name Montu, or Montu, regarded as the forefather of the Bantu people. He was often depicted as a man with the head of a falcon. This closely resembles the sun god, Ra, also known as Lenga, who is also portrayed as a falcon-headed deity. In many Bantu languages, the word for bird is shiri or siri. This name is closely associated with Mashiri or Musiri, also known as Mizraim, the ancestor of the Egyptians. In the southern parts of Africa, Mizraim was also called Mzelamu or Muzuru, a name that Egypt itself was once referred to. Interestingly, Muzuru is pronounced today as Muzulu, resembling the Zulu nation, known as the people of the sky. This could indicate a linguistic transformation over time, suggesting that the Zulu people and other Nguni groups share a deeper historical connection with ancient Egypt. The migrating Bantu tribes carried with them the symbol of the falcon. Among the ruling elite, the falcon was known as Hongwe, and their kings were titled Shiriadenga, birds of the sky. In many Bantu languages, the sky is called Mbinguni, which directly connects to the name Amanguni, the people of the sky. Similarly, the Venda people call the eagle Magoni, another term tied to celestial birds. As language evolved, Montu became known as Horus, the Egyptian god of kingship, further proving the linguistic continuity between these civilizations. The Egyptian name Horus was likely borrowed from the Bantu term for eagle, Ngoru, a Kikuyu word. In Bantu phonetics, H often shifts into Go, creating variations in pronunciation across different tribes. This is why in southern Africa, Noru became Code Z or Ko Z, linking to the Zulu word for royalty, Amako C. Another linguistic clue is found in Aswan, a city in Upper Egypt. The name Aswan originates from a Bantu word for the sun. Ancient Egyptians referred to Aswan as Katsawana, the place of the sun. Foreign speakers, unfamiliar with Bantu phonetics, shortened it to Aswan, stripping away its original meaning. The presence of a temple dedicated to Horus in Edfu, also known as Idfu, is another indicator. The word Idfu in Bantu means cloud, linking it to the sky, the falcon, and the people of the sky. The linguistic similarities continue with Elephantine Island, once called Yeb or Jebe in Egyptian. The name of the elephant in Bantu languages, Njavu or Ndlovu, bears a striking resemblance to this ancient term. Hence the people from Kosi clan praise themselves as they are from Mamlovini, meaning they are of the elephant. The reverence of the crocodile god Sobuk also connects to the Bantu people. In the southern regions, there are people known as Sibiko, which could be a variation of Sobuk's name. Their oral history describes them as the black Njiki of Lelo, associated with river crossings, just like the crocodile. The falcon god Soker of Memphis was another deity with a direct connection to the Bantu. In southern Africa, there's a clan called Sokilla, whose praise name Mad Lobo means people of the sun, drawing parallels to sun worship in ancient Egypt. The Sokilla are also linked to the Mtembu clan, a name reminiscent of Imhotep, the famed Egyptian architect and healer. Within the Banjwa clan, their praises include the name Sokilla Indikatini, meaning people of the sky, yet another connection to the falcon symbolism of ancient Egypt. Even the name Memphis is a corrupted form of Mambedzi, which translates to people of waters in Bantu languages, reinforcing the linguistic and cultural connections between these two civilizations. The connections between ancient Egypt and the Bantu people are undeniable. Through language, names, and cultural traditions, we can trace the echoes of a forgotten past. Could it be that the Bantu migration was a return to their roots rather than an exodus? The linguistic footprints left behind suggest that the people of the sun, the Falcon Kings, and the great warriors of the south may have once ruled the land of the pharaohs. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing revelations about Africa's hidden history.